In today's video, I'll show you how to duplicate a template in Pagefly. This is a great way to save time when building new pages while keeping your design consistent. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Shopify website. Log in to your Shopify account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the Apps section and open the Pagefly app. This will take you to the Pagefly dashboard where all your pages are listed. Click on the Pages section to view your existing Pagefly pages. Browse through the list or use the search bar to find the page template you want to duplicate. When you locate the page, click on the three-dot menu next to its name. From the options that appear, select Duplicate. Pagefly will instantly create a copy of that page. After duplicating the page, rename it so you can easily identify it later. You can now open the duplicated page and edit the content, images, or layout without affecting the original version. That's it. You've successfully duplicated a template in Pagefly, making it easy to reuse designs and build pages faster. Thanks for watching and happy designing.